Portmanteau originally meant a suitcase that had two parts that were hinged together. Author Lewis Carroll redefined portmanteau to refer to new words that were invented by hinging together two older ones. He invented quite a few of these portmanteau words himself, including the word mimsy. Alice, the famous character created by Lewis Carroll, was puzzled by this word mimsy, so she decided to go for an explanation to Humpty Dumpty, the condescending eggman also invented by Lewis Carroll. Now Humpty Dumpty mansplained to Alice that mimsy was a portmanteau of miserable and flimsy. Mimsy. Mimsy never really quite caught on, but other portmanteau words like mansplaining are quite popular today. I'll explain a little later what mansplaining means, but first I'd like to tell you about my typical Sunday. Of course, I like to get up late, and the first thing I do is check my social media feed. Now, I might react with a smiley to a friend's funny post. Now, the more formal term for smiley is a portmanteau of emote and icon, which were joined together in the 1990s to form the word emoticon. Because I get up too late to have breakfast on Sundays, I end up having a mid-morning meal which is a combination of breakfast and lunch, which of course is brunch. Now the word brunch was invented as far back as the 19th century, which makes getting up late seem less of a bad habit and more of a tradition. After brunch, I like to chill with my friends. Relax. After all, that's what Sundays are for, right? To chillax. Sometimes we watch movies that are not from Hollywood, but from that place formerly known as Bombay. Yes, Bollywood. Once in a while, I get into an argument with a lady friend about the movie we're watching. I start explaining to her the real meaning of the story, and she tells me to stop talking down to her like a typical man, to stop mansplaining. Being the smart man that I am, I realize that she reacted angrily because she's hungry. In other words, she's hangry. At such times, I find that the best thing to do is to give her chocolate. She's attracted to it like an alcoholic is to alcohol. In other words, she's a chocoholic. I'm the English nut. It's bye for now.